Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media, presenting new, awesome, landscape and nature presets for DxO. Those dull-looking outdoor images can now become a thing of the past, thanks to this new fantastic set of Eden Rock landscape and nature DxO Photo Lab presets. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These filters are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. This fantastic collection is ideal for bringing the very best of your outdoor photographs. Finally, it is time to enjoy breathtaking sunsets and outdoor images, enhanced with incredible DxO effects. If you want your landscape images to look amazing, you will love this beautiful preset collection, as there are filter options for nearly every type of nature and landscape photography. Do not miss the chance to get new exclusive DxO Awesome Landscape and Nature Preset Collection.